Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Language Voyage English podcast. And I'm Mark.
And I'm Sarah. We are so happy you're here to learn English with us today.
Today, we will talk about something we all do every single day, our daily routine.
Yes, we will share our morning and afternoon routines. We will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every word.
Let's start with my morning routine. Sarah, what do you think I do first in the morning?
Mark, do you wake up very early?
Yes, I do. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. Wake up means you open your eyes and get out of bed.
Wow, 6 a.m. is early. What do you do next?
Next, I drink a big glass of water. Then I brush my teeth. Brush my teeth.
Good for you. I also brush my teeth after I wake up.
After that, I make coffee. I love coffee. Do you drink coffee, Sarah?
Sometimes, but I usually drink tea. My morning routine is a little different.
Tell us, Sarah. What is your morning routine?
Okay, first, I wake up at 7 a.m., 1 hour later than Mark. Then I make my bed. Make my bed means I make it neat and tidy.
That's a good habit. What's next for you?
Next, I do some stretches. Stretches are small exercises for my body. It feels good.
Sounds relaxing. After stretches, do you eat breakfast?
Yes, after stretches, I eat breakfast. I usually eat yogurt with fruit. What do you eat for breakfast, Mark?
I eat toast with jam and sometimes eggs, and I drink more coffee.
So, in the morning, Mark wakes up, brushes his teeth, and makes coffee. And I wake up, make my bed, and do stretches.
That's right. Now, let's talk about the afternoon. In the afternoon, after lunch, I usually work. I work on my computer.
Me too. I work on my computer in the afternoon. After work, what do you do, Mark?
After work, I go for a walk in the park. I like to walk and listen to music.
That sounds lovely. I usually cook dinner after work. Cook dinner. I like to try new recipes.
Oh, that's interesting. What do you cook tonight?
Tonight, I will cook pasta with vegetables. It's delicious.
Sounds yummy. So, in the afternoon, we both work on the computer, then I go for a walk, and Sarah cooks dinner.
Exactly. So that's a little about our daily routines. We hope you learned some new words today.
Remember to practice. Try to say your own daily routine out loud.
Thank you for listening to our Language Voyage English podcast.
We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.